Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to send money from TD Bank to another bank. First of all, open up the TD Bank official website. You will find out the process to send money to another bank from here. So first of all, you need to access and send money. First, you need to open the TD app. From the options listed on the top, find and select Send Money. If you haven't already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. Within the Send Money screen, select the Globally tab. Then select the country in which your recipient will receive the funds. Use the drop-down menu found in the labeled Destination section. Some countries may require you to also specify a state and/or city. Now, enter the amount to send in the Send Amount field. If you want to base your transfer on the amount your recipient will receive, select the They Will Receive tab. To transfer, you need to follow this very simple method. First of all, send to account. And use Pickup, then send it to the card. Then, select the transfer method that best suits your needs. On the Confirm Your Rate screen, review the transfer details and the TD Important Information section. To make a change, select the Search Again button. When satisfactory, select the Continue button. On the Fraud Awareness screen, review the warning Protect Yourself from Fraud. When finished, select the Continue button. Then enter your transfer details and review your confirmed transfer. To ensure that everything is correct, review your transfer details. To make any change, select the Back button. To complete the transfer, select Send Money. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.